All right, so I'm live with .NET here, and I'm going to get into building console apps with .NET, and I'm going to get into Codespaces and do it from there. So first, I'm going to get into this org, find my .NET. I have coding C#. That's what I want. And I believe this is the repo that's going to be a good repo for me. Let me look. I might have another one though. Let me just double check here real quick. .NET C#. GitHub Actions. This one looks okay, I guess, to start with. And what I can do is, let's just double check. Yeah, 7 days ago. Looks pretty good. This is probably the one I want to use. And got some good stuff in here so far. And what I would, we can see here, this is, I believe, using potentially some things with .NET. Not 100% sure. I'm sorry, with AWS. But for now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to play around a little bit with using Copilot to assist me. So if I go to extensions, reload required. Look, there we go. Okay, please reload Visual Studio Code. Yeah, let's do this. Let's reload it. And the next thing that I'm going to do is just double check and make sure .NET is installed, which it should be. .NET it is. And we can say display the install runtimes, list runtimes. There we go. And I forgot if there's a way to with .NET to ask how to actually update itself, but maybe that would be with let's Google it. There we go. So let's say .NET Codespaces update. What's the recommended way? So this is dev containers. Oh, here we go. Look, ms.NET C#. So I definitely want that one. But let's just make a command line tool first. Let's just start with that. So we'll say .NET. In fact, we can even look at history. We can grep .NET. Say new console app. So that's what we want to do. We want to do name. Now, why do I need to do the -n and the -o? But let's just double check here. Just say .NET new console app. Look at the documentation. So this article applies to .NET Core 3.1 or later. Search starting with .NET. The .NET. Oh, I guess this was preview 2, which is not valid yet. But if I want to build a console app, they don't give me They don't give me like a .NET new. Trying to see if there's an easy like console app. Oh, I see. So you can list all the templates. Let's try that out. So let's say .NET new list. And let's do that. .NET new list. Ooh. So these are all the things that we can do. I guess I could add some things. And we could say live coding, C#, and we can put in Codespaces, and C# here. And then we want to do console apps today, console apps. So if I do .NET list, finds all templates. That is useful. So if I go through here, we can see all the things I can do. So I can do ASP.NET, Blazor. We can do get ignore file. That's pretty useful. Wow. We can do unit tests. We can do web config. The thing I want to do is I want to build out the console app though. So console. And look, it does it for C#, F#, VB. All right, so .NET new console. So let's try it out. Let's say .NET new console, and what happens? Oh, I guess it just spits it out in your current working directory, which is not great. So I want to now delete that. So if we say get status, it should tell us rm-rf the object directory, and we'll remove the csproj, the rm, that one, and I want to rm the program. Okay, so we didn't want to do that. So we can do console app, and we can call this phrase repeater. There we go. Phrase repeat, make it shorter. And so we wanted to say .NET new H location to put that. Oh, and then name. The name of the output is directory is used. Okay, so we have to do a -o. So I just have to do a -o. Viable product. Okay, we got it. Phrase repeat. Now, if I go into here, now I want to try my my Magic Copilot here. So let's first just run it. So if we say .NET, let's cd into, or let's try this way, .NET run phrase repeater. Does that work? You got to cd into it. And then we can say .NET run. Okay, hello world. We got it working. Now let's say writes a program that reads a string and a number in and prints the string. That's exactly what I want. Using system, see what we can build here. Threading, really? Do I have to use threading for this? I don't. We have a phrase repeater. We've got a main function here. But what if I want to? I mean, I guess this is good enough to start with, to just kick the tires. So we'll go here and we'll say .NET run. And what does it give me? Well, it doesn't like it because there's no there's nothing passed in. I freaked out this environment. Okay, so we can say clear. I have to restart this thing. Go to the repository, go back here, and wake it back up again. Okay, we got a phrase repeater, and we'll just say clear. Here it is. That I might have to open up another prompt. So that prompt just got screwed up, which happens. And let's go to phrase repeat .NET run. It's going to do a phrase, and we'll just say hello 5 times. Does that work? It's not looking good. It's looking like it's hanging because I may be following the cut and paste here too well. So what I need to do is look at .NET console tutorial. Let's follow Hello World, the official docs. So it's going to say, okay, create a new console app. Well, no, this is good. I think that let's just follow the actual tutorial here instead of me trying to get too fancy. So I'm gonna go through here. I'm gonna kill that one, and I'm going to rm-rf the phrase repeat. Perfect. And now I'm going to just follow the official tutorial. Okay. Let's say follow console app tutorial. There we go. And when we look at the tutorial, they're suggesting using this syntax, which I like. So we'll do that. So a lot of it is just getting the structure printed first. There we go. We got it, and then I'm going to cd into the but I screwed it up because I didn't do it. I want to make. I don't want this. so we want to actually rm program rm live coding. So what I don't want to do is put it into the root directory here, which again is annoying that they would guide me that way. What I want to do is I want to say make dir console hello. I want to cd into that. So we can actually put that there. We can say like make dir and cd console hello. Something like that. Okay. Let's do that. And so basically first get in there, make a directory structure, and then you can run this command, which will use .NET 6. Excellent. And then it's gonna give us this console.writes, which we don't care about, right? It doesn't really get us anything. And so we're gonna build this very, very small example app, namespace hello program, write hello world. And now if we just, how would they like us to invoke it? .NET run. Okay, that's what I would have done, but I just want to double check. .NET run. Hello world, right? And there we go. Enhance the app. Replace the content of the main program with the following code. Displays a prompt. Sure. What's your name? So I believe they want us to replace the main function, right? Yeah, this looks right. So we'll format it. It would be nice if there was like a neat little auto form. Will this auto format for me? More actions. That would be great if I could just run a tool that would auto format this, but let's go ahead and do this. Console.read key. What's your name? Okay, so let's do it again. Ask what's your name, Noah. Hello, Noah. There you go. Not bad. It would be kind of cool to build this to build this into a function. And if I said here, write a function method that prints hello world to the console. Okay, I don't want to do that. What if we said write a method that I use that I can call from the main method. Exactly. Let's see what they give us here. If I just want to refactor my code a little bit, static void. I can just grab this and we can throw that in here. So we have a say hello. I like. And then we could just do say hello. Right. So we just to play around with like refactoring code and seeing how things work. And now if I run it again, .NET run, what's your name? It still works, which is pretty nice. Now, what else do they tell us we can do with console apps? So we don't. Oh wait, okay. This says next steps, setting up visual. Well, we already have this. So debug. You create a console. Let's debug it. .NET 6. Sure, let's debug it. So set up a breakpoint, and then do F9 or do toggle breakpoints. So the breakpoint is located in console readline method. To handle it, open VS Code launch and change console from internal to integrated terminal. Wow. .VS Code launch JSON. So that would be under launch JSON console. Console. I don't see this. What it says, oh, internal console. I don't see internal console. What am I missing here? Well, let's not change that and let's just do a breakpoint anyway, which is right here, breakpoint. Let's just run it. We don't even need to do that. Name. No. Now, what are they telling me to do next? So to start debugging, select the green arrow at the top of the pane. Open the debug view by selecting debugging icon on the left. Oh, debugging. Okay. So let's go here, run and debug. But where do I want to put this breakpoint? We want to put it, yeah, right there. Run, start debugging. What is your name? Oh, change the console setting. Is that the problem? So let's get this off for a second. Let's go back to here. Console. I don't see this. Maybe this is a different version where it doesn't. It's not the same inside of Codespaces, but it does look like open the debugging menu by selecting the debugging icon on the left side. Select the green arrow at the top of the pane. Oh, up here. Okay, so let's try it again. Let's go back to here. Let's go to this. Let's set a debug print statement. We open up this. There we go. We want to run this one. Cool. So that's the debugger. Okay. Terminal will be reused. Whoa. Okay. I don't know why I would need to look at my app in a oh, because it's debugging the web app, which is pretty funny. I don't think that's what I was trying to do though. Active session. Yeah, interesting. Well, that's not what I wanted to have happen. So we're going to kill that. Oh, but I see this is the problem is it's the wrong one. Is that because I have multiple apps in here, it's causing I don't know how you disable if you have multiple. So debugging does not seem like a good thing for me to dive into right now because I have a lot of different things inside of this project, and in fact, probably better for me to instead try to just tweak this app a little bit and go to this console hello world program and maybe add another function or something like that. So let's write a method that adds two numbers. So we can say static void add. There we go. And what we can do is we can also say inside of here, like wait, ask for numbers. So what we would need to do is we need to do the same thing. We would need to do something like this. But we can put it up here. We can say what number, let's say one, and then we could say one, and we could say var num2 equal to something like that. Just this line here. There you go. Number 2. And now we can just add here. So we can like say hello. We could just add the add there. And now let's see if this new functionality is working. Oops. I don't know why those terminals get mangled, but we'll say .NET run. no, we need to cd into console hello. And then we need to say .NET run. Ooh. Well, first of all, I need to get rid of that. Ask for the numbers. So let's say hello. Oh, because I don't need that. Our number. Let's try that. And so when you do var name, so we need to say add. Well, we could do this. We could do this. I think what I need to do is this. Is I need to swap this around. And I need to pull this out like that. And then I need to do this. And say number 1, number 2. So hopefully that works. Ooh, invalid. This is, what do I have? Some kind of a too many. Well, I shouldn't have. That's what we need. There's a wrong brace. Oh, cannot convert from string to integer. And so couldn't I just say like int here, right? Does that work? So what we need to do is say like converts console read line string to int. That's exactly what I want. So how do I do that? Int. Oh, okay. So we do that. So that's what I screwed up. Was need to do this. Convert to 32. So we just need to put this at the beginning like that. There you go. We can get rid of that. And we do the same thing again. Let's just double check. Yeah, int. Okay, perfect. So you have to do a type conversion, which makes sense. Okay. What is this? I don't know if I like that. Looks weird. Oh, there we go. What's her name? Noah. Number 1, 2, number 2, 5. There you go. Cool. Okay, so got a little bit more stuff there, and then I think we can say .NET. What was it? List as well. Like I want to add a get ignore in here, and I think it has like a template for that. .NET get ignore file. Perfect. Thanks. Look at that. Ooh, .NET Well, I can just do this. I can say cp up get ignore here, get add dot get ignore, and then I can go up a level, get status, get add, check all this in. Open console app. There we go. So very, very, very beginner stuff. I'm still kind of getting back up to speed with .NET, but got some stuff working.